Why is backup so important? To avoid data lost, learn how to backup in AutoCount properly. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Okay, next section is task 2.14. 2.14 is a revision of chapter 1 on the backup function. So before I proceed with a backup function, let me explain more detail why we need to do backup and what is the proper way to do backup. Why backup is important? First is because to prevent the data loss, or sometimes we sell storage in our hard disk and then our hard disk spoil and all the data is going to be lost. So that's why first of all is to prevent all the data gone. That's why we need another copy. So we storage and then we save in other location. So why save in other location? You see, first is preventive. This one happened into Mr. Law customer. So during MCO time, some thief broken into their office and then all the PC is gone. All the PC they took away. So that's why this one is one, okay, prevent from thief. And then second is prevent fire and water. So this one also happened to Mr. Law, one of the friends, very good friends. So recently their factory is being fired. So at least you got keep all the data, customer data. This one is very important. So and you can utilize all this data for still can continue your business without any interruption. So the last one is prevent virus. Virus very easy. You just format your PC and then install back AutoCount. That's all. But the most dangerous virus is the ransomware. So ransomware, all your data is being zipped, or you need to pay certain money to unzip it, to encrypt it. So that's why this, if you kernel virus, this also very troublesome. Then how to prevent from ransomware, prevent from fire and theft and so on. So I suggest this is the most easier way is you buy the pen drive or any hard disk and then you back up into your pen drive or hard disk. And remember this pen drive and hard disk remove from your PC after backup. This one very important. I remind you again and again. So like just now the fire, computer virus. So all this, if your pen drive is still there, then I think your backup copy is meaningless. So really happened to our customer. So they got three hard disks plugged into the same PC. Unfortunately, kernel ransomware. This really happened to Mr. Law customer as well. So that's why you just buy a pen drive and then you just put in your company your car key. So every day you go back home, so you bring the pen drive out together with your car key. So this one is more secure. Second one is NAS server. NAS server is a cloud storage. You can install this cloud storage. It's very mini size like your CPU. So you can put this NAS storage at your house. So different location, don't keep at the same location of your office. So if you really want to save budget, then I suggest at minimum you back up the data to another PC, not only the first PC to keep this data. So this one, if you really got budget issue so I suggest is you can back up into another computer. And last but not least is new way. AutoCount actually can back up into the cloud Google Drive. So this one so far I never see any customer complain about ransomware yet. I don't know. So far no customer call because it's storage into Google Drive kernel ransomware. So I believe it's very secure as well. So you can try this method. All this method also cost reasonable. So because Google got free storage, right? So I think that's all only. Then we practice and then I explain one more time how AutoCount backup works. So for AutoCount backup, you go to Tools Backup and you see here got 3 different locations. You can see save 3 company. I say pre-default the location you want to backup for 3 different company. Okay, so no need every time you come here browse and then change the location. You just browse one time and then setting one time. If you want add second location, third location, you just add. So here got 2 locations. So one button you click here, so the system will automatically back up into 2 different locations. And if you want to remove is delete. You just delete it. Update is you change the location you want to back up. So these 3 functions, add, update, delete, and okay. So after set, the system always check database area before you back up. So this one don't untick it, just leave it like that. And the system always help you to already pre-default the company name, the backup database version, and your date and time you backup. So what you need to do is every time you just come here, press this button, backup to. You only require to pre-default one time. So after that, second time, every time you backup, you just come here, press this button, backup to. That's all. So see, very easy. So the system will prompt the message. But for tutorial, it's required you to change the database name into backup file, backup task 2.14, and you backup. Okay, after done, the system automatically prompt this notification, backup complete successfully. So that's all for chapter 2. So we move forward to chapter 3. Thank you.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.